how to log in to your LoanCare account. Now in order to log in to your LoanCare account, just simply open any of your browser and in there search for LoanCare. After searching for LoanCare, this first link of myloancare.com will appear. Just simply open it, and after opening myloancare.com in your browser, you will see the homepage of MyLoanCare. Now directly you will be able to log into your account. Firstly, you need to enter your user ID in here, and after that enter your password in the second box. Then you can check this box to save your login credentials in your browser. If you don't want to leave it as it was, and then tap to sign in button. So after doing that much, your LoanCare account will successfully be logged into your device. So this is how you can very easily do it. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.